Block 26 Construction of rhombus. Properties of a rhombus. The lengths of all the sides of a rhombus are equal in measure. The diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at right angles. The adjacent angles of a rhombus are supplementary. Area of a rhombus. A rhombus is a four-sided shape with all its sides equal in length. The diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at right angles. Let us now deduce the area of a rhombus by dividing it into smaller shapes as shown in the figure. In the figure, we see the rectangle divided into 8 congruent triangles. Step 1. Take a rectangular sheet of paper. Step 2. Fold the sheet into halves vertically and horizontally. Step 3. Draw dotted lines on the folds. Step 4. Join the midpoints of the rectangle to form 8 congruent triangles. To find the area of the rhombus, we can find the sum of the areas of the 8 triangles and divide it by 2. Here, ABCD is the rectangle. Length equal to CD equal to AB equal to SQ and breadth equal to AD equal to PR equal to BC. PQRS is the rhombus with PQ equal to QR equal to RS equal to SP and diagonals are SQ and PR. Rectangle ABCD is divided into 8 congruent triangles. Area of rectangle equal to area of 8 congruent triangles and area of rhombus equal to area of 4 congruent triangles. We know area of rectangle equal to length into breadth, therefore area of rhombus equal to half into area of rectangle. Since area of rectangle equal to length into breadth or SQ into PR. Area of rhombus equal to half into SQ into PR, where SQ and PR are also the diagonals of the rhombus. And area of the rhombus equal to half into D1 into D2, where D1 and D2 are the two diagonals of the rhombus. We can also find the area of the figures by dividing them into smaller shapes. Let us see how. The figure, the area of the shaded part of the figure equal to area of the rhombus PQRS minus area of the triangle ASP equal to half into 50 into 60 minus half into 30 into 25 equal to 1500 minus 375, which is equal to 1125 meters squared. Example, find the area of the rhombus ABCD where AC equal to 12.5 cm and BD equal to 9.3 cm. Area of the rhombus equal to half into D1 into D2. Here D1 equal to 12.5 cm and D2 equal to 9.3 cm. Therefore, area of rhombus ABCD equal to half into 12.5 into 9.3, which is equal to 58.125 cm squared. Constructing a rhombus. Constructing a rhombus with length of one side and one diagonal given. We can construct a rhombus without knowing the measure of its angles if the lengths of one side and one diagonal are given. Drawing a rough sketch of the rhombus helps us to visualize it and helps to construct it. Construct a rhombus, a PQRS, where PQ equal to 6 cm and PR equal to 9 cm. First, construct a triangle and then extend it further to complete the rhombus. Make a rough sketch of the rhombus and write the measures as shown in the figure. Since the lengths of all the sides of a rhombus are equal, sides PQ equal to QR equal to RS equal to SP equal to 6 cm. Steps for construction. Step 1. Draw a line segment PR of length 9 cm. Step 2. With P and R as center and radius equal to side PQ 6 cm, draw arcs cutting each other. Mark the point where the two arcs meet as Q. Step 3. Join points P and Q and R to Q to form triangle PQR. Step 4. With P and R as center and radius equal to side PQ 6 cm, draw arcs cutting each other on the other side of the line segment PR. Mark the point where the two arcs meet as S. Step 5. Join points P to S and R to S to form the rhombus PQRS. Constructing a rhombus with length of one angle and one diagonal given. Construct a rhombus PQRS where QS equal to 9 cm and angle Q equal to 110 degree. Draw a rough sketch of the rhombus to be constructed as shown in the figure. Step 1. Draw a line segment QS of length 9 cm. Step 2. With Q as center, draw angles of 55 degree half of angle Q on either side of the line segment QS. Draw arms to show the angles, label the angles. Step 3. With R as center, draw angles of 55 degree half of angle Q on either side of the line segment QS. Draw arms to show the angles, mark the points where the angle arms meet as P and R. PQR is the required rhombus. Example: Lada and Sia constructed rhombus ABCD and PQRS with length one side as 4 cm. What is different in these two rhombuses? The two rhombuses have the same measure of all the sides, but they are not congruent since they do not have the same measure of all the angles. Therefore, rhombuses constructed with only one given measure will not be congruent. Constructing a rhombus. Let us construct a rhombus where one side and one angle are given. For example, WX equal to 5 cm and angle W equal to 50 degree. We know that all sides of a rhombus are equal, so WX equal to 5 cm equal to XY equal to YZ equal to ZW. Draw a rough sketch of the rhombus and write the measures as shown in the figure. Step 1. Draw a line segment QS of length 5 cm. Step 2. With W as center, draw the given angle of 50 degree. Draw an arm to show the angle, label the angle. Step 3. With W as center, draw an arc of radius 5 cm on the angle arm. Mark the point as Z. Step 4. From points Z and X, draw arcs of radius 5 cm cutting each other. Mark the point as Y. Join points Y and Z and X and Y. WXYZ is the required rhombus. Next, constructing a rhombus with length of two diagonals given. Let us construct G where the lengths of two diagonals DF and EG are 6 cm and 7 cm respectively. Step 1. Draw a line segment DF of length 6 cm. Step 2. Construct a perpendicular bisector to line segment DF. Mark the midpoint as O. Step 3. Mark 2 points on either side of the perpendicular at a distance of 3.5 cm, half of the diagonal EG 7 cm. Label the points as E and G. Step 4. Join points DG, GF, FE and ED. DEFG is the required rhombus. We can also find the areas of the rhombus DEFG since the lengths of two diagonals are given. We know that DF equal to 6 cm and EG equal to 7 cm. Area of rhombus DEFG equal to half into D1 into D2, which is equal to half into 6 into 7 equal to 21 cm squared. A rectangle can be constructed with two given measures. We can easily construct a rectangle with these measures: length of two adjacent sides and length of one side and one diagonal. Example: Disha constructed a rhombus PQRS with these measures: PQ equal to 6 cm and angle P equal to 90 degree. What do you notice about the constructed rhombus? What other measures can help construct a square? Disha constructed a square since all the sides are equal and the measure of all the angles is 90 degree. We can also construct a square with the given measure of one of its diagonals.